Dear viewers, today we are going to see what are some of the businesses that the youth and even some of the people outside there you can start during this pandemic, the period where many of us are scared. So let us try and share them, and then we see whether we can have a starting point. Engineer Kasagga Usama. I want to share some of the businesses that somebody can start within this pandemic. Most of the people outside there have lost hope, have lost their jobs. They're no longer going to work again. If I talk about the teachers, the tutors, the lecturers, are no longer having jobs right now. And we are hoping most of them are going to start working again in 2021. So what are you going to be doing within this remaining 5 months? So you need to start up something. And to start something, you need to find a job. You need to find a job. You don't have money, yes, I understand. But you need to find something to do. Because if you try to sit down, you're going to have a lot of stress over that. But there are some few businesses that we can think about. The communities around us, they need us. We have not just sat down to think about what we can start. Sit down and think. You need a job to start. And if you sit without finding that job, you are going to be in trouble. Why? People need money. Your families need money. Your mother, your father, your kids at home, your wife, they need money. And you yourself, you need money to sustain yourself. Without that money, you're not going to be in position to work. So for you, the university student, what can you do? Even others who are not yet in the university, you can do something. Let us try and share some few business ideas that you can start within this pandemic. Number one, we have meals and grocery deliveries. Let us try them. We can try it because they need us. They need meals. Everybody needs something to eat. So if you can try to come up with different solutions, whether you do it online, it can help you to try and then advertise yourself that you do such a thing. So sell something out. Okay. Another thing that we can try out is online trainings for fitness. People are having issues with fitness. We can try it. Online fitness training. You may offer them for free, but with the YouTube advantages, you may end up earning a lot of money if you are consistent. So you try, come up with training. Some of you are already trainers. You're already visiting the gyms. Some of you have been training the people in the gyms. So convert your gyms into online. And then many people can watch you. And after watching you, you get many views, you get many subscribers, you get many likes. And at the end, you end up earning some dollars. So let us not sit on our dream kind of future by not being creative. Okay? So another thing that we can try out, research. Let's try and do some research. This is a period that we can engage ourselves in research. There is a lot of things that we can try to do. Research and fact finding. Okay? Try to do a lot of research. Okay? Sit down, write, and then you will find solution. Then there are many guys who have gone to the university, have done IT, even if you have not done IT, but at least you're always frequenting yourself on social media. So become a social media manager of different companies. Many companies, they don't have them. They're looking for guys who can help them, who can help them to promote their products, their services, but you're outside there sitting at home, doing nothing, fidgeting, you are so much stressed. But I hope that if you can sit down and get to know some of the strategies that you can use to develop other people's products, I assure you at the end of the month, you'll have some coins on your pocket, or you have some coins on your account. So let us try and do some social media managers for different companies. You won't find yourself. Become a blogger. Do blogging. You can try it, and then you are going to see success out of it. If you do not try and learn, there are many opportunities outside there. Then become a designer. Designing nowadays, people who know how to do graphics design. There are many people who want art. It is election period all over the world. There are many elections going on. Sit down and start designing billboards, flyers, okay, banners. They are needed everywhere. People are now selling things online. Design for them banners. You're going to find yourself earning a living out of what you design, because people, they don't know how to design these things, but for you, you can learn how to design graphics. If you want to learn, you can watch some of my videos. Some of my videos, they have a lot of things that you can learn from, because I'm an expert in graphics. So watch them, learn, and then do it. You just need to have Photoshop on your machine. There are many software that you can use, but if you have it, you can learn, you can do a lot of things. Then another thing that I can try to share with you, some of the jobs that you can try out: website designing or website development. For students outside there, try it. You don't need to be a coder, that you know how to code, a programmer. No, you just need to sit on that machine of yours. You just need to sit on that smartphone that you have in your room and be creative. Open your mind. If you sit down pondering about COVID, complaining about COVID, God brought it to us in order to think and open our mind. We are supposed to change ourselves. Nobody will change you unless you change yourself. Change your attitude and everything will try to come on your board. Try to change. Try and focus on your dreams that you had before. I hope things will change. Write books, e-books, authors. Put books online and people will be ready to buy them. Amazon, okay, and many other sites. Write. But we are sitting at home only watching movies. We are not going to gain out of only watching movies. Yes, we need to watch them. But again, you need to sit down and be so much creative that watching movies without being a creator of that movie, you are not earning anything. So sit down, do your own movie, and you earn out of it, than watching other people's movie without earning. Okay? We don't need to be miserable in this period. It is a testing moment, but stop being worried. Sit down and think. Sit down and just think. Sit for a moment and think. There are many opportunities around you. Start baking. Start baking. You can go online and then learn how to bake. It is very easy. You visit YouTube, learn how to bake, and you're going to find yourself an expert. Learn how to bake cakes. That is, people around you, they need these things at a cheaper price because you're doing them at your home. Find a way of hosting it, and then you will find somewhere that you're going to be earning a living out of what you're doing out of your hands. Please, I want to advise my dear viewers, whoever is looking, whoever is listening and watching this video, stop worrying. We're already scared, but if you get scared the more, you will never achieve what you want in life. We need you, and we need to move with you. The only thing that you need to do, it is to wake up. Sit down, use your brain very well. You never complain about being poor. We are only poor because we want to be poor. The only thing which can change it is you. And if you don't change, nobody will be ready to change you. So I beg that let us try and borrow this idea, business ideas within us. For those people who can do farming, go and do farming. Back in your villages, there is a lot of land being redundant, but you can try to put something. Put something. If you want, you go there and do something. And at the end, you find people they need, because everybody needs food. So let us be creative. Let us use social media, and then we are going to find a lot of opportunities. So whoever has loved my video, please subscribe, like, and then we see how to motivate others. Like my videos whenever I visit them, and please bless that bell so that at least every time that you come, every time I post any video, you'll be in position to watch more. Please let us work together. Teamwork, we're going to find ourselves succeeding. Let us help everybody around us, and let us always give out, give out, give out. God will give us back. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Kasagga Usama. I love to see you again.